Hey guys, this is a look at the Emberlit Fireant. This is their smaller portable stove. I have the larger one and I've obviously used this one quite a bit more. I love these things. This one stays in my canteen kit and doesn't get abused nearly as much. It is also titanium. You can see kind of the hue that this has taken on over the years by getting really heated up. Basically, the way you put this thing together is you just torque this a little bit to get it to slide in there. Then you can pop it apart very easily. So it slides out. You take out this base tray for your fire. That also has a little tray for solid fuel if you want to use that for that top. These top cutouts. Comes with this nice carrying pouch. Whole thing packs down to 4.5 by 5.5, and it's incredibly thin. So this just, like I said, stays in the back of my canteen pouch for day hikes, and it's just a great piece of gear for getting a small contained wood fire going so that you can boil some water to make coffee or tea while you're out in the woods. So I highly recommend this thing. I love it.